I've put a lot of effort and time into ensuring all the systems we've installed on this project boat work together to deliver quality, performance, reliability and safety. I do some really big distances in this rig, and despite trying to pick the best weather windows, it doesn't always go to plan. Having a quality hydraulic steering system that is super responsive and reliable is a must-have for us. The ability to seamlessly change the steering position on the fly without losing any of the agility behind the wheel really increases the places we can take this boat and the styles of fishing we can pursue. The helm and hydraulic system just works seamlessly together to the point I can steer this boat with 1 foot while we're scanning the flats for fish. This is due to the reviewed hydraulic systems from the Dometic Marine team, specifically the internal arrangements with improvements to the check valve durability with a more robust design, eliminated flow noise when coming off the hard over steering position and decreased clicking of the lock spool valve, all working together to give you more responsive steering. So we've installed the Dometic Seastar Pro Series helm kit to this project boat for a number of reasons. Our vision for this build was to be the perfect all-rounder, providing that big boat capability while delivering the responsiveness and agility to traverse across all fishing scenarios, from shallow water flats to creeks and wide open blue water and reef runs. We've had Seastar systems on all our previous boats, and the old saying, "Don't change what isn't broken," rings true in this build. The smoothness and light feel of this system under maximum load and in less than ideal conditions means I have all the confidence in the world to focus on the conditions, and I don't have to compensate or worry about how the boat is going to react across the varying scenarios. Having run this setup on the original helm that came with the project boat when we first bought it and the new Dometic Seastar Pro Series helm, it is truly night and day the difference in feel and performance. In terms of marine hydraulic steering systems, in my opinion, this really is as good as it gets.